What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing Pepe Le Pew. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of our page with the top edge of the nose. We'll start all the way over on the left side, draw a curve that goes up in the middle, bring that down on the right. Let's go back to the left side and draw a half circle coming down towards the bottom of the nose, and then back up. Now I'm going to add an oval along the top of the nose for a highlight, going all the way around. And we'll fill the inside of the nose in black, going around that highlight. Now from the top corners of the nose, let's step out and draw in the mouth. Let's start on the left, come all the way around, in across the middle, and then back up on the right. And we'll add a fold along the corners of the mouth, going out and then down. Now I'm going to add a fold across the top of the nose, going up and then down. Now I'm going to move out to the side and draw two large ovals for the eyes. Let's line up at the top of the nose over on the left, curve up toward the top of the eye, round this out, and bring that back down. Let's line this up on the right and do the same thing, going up towards the same height, and then back down towards the bottom. Now I'm going to push the pupils towards the inside of the eyes. Starting on the bottom left, draw a small oval coming all the way around and in, and it will fill the inside of the pupils. Let's add one smaller curve across the top. Now I'm going to go up to the top and draw in the eyebrows, starting from the top left, curve this up and then down, and we'll line that up on the right. Now I'm going to come back down and draw in the cheeks, lining up at the bottom edge of the eye, over on the left, curve this around. Now I'm just going to pull that in towards the bottom of the chin on the left. Let's line this up on the right, going all the way out, come around, and then bring that in, leaving a gap in the center. Now from the top of the cheeks, we're just going to curve around the eye, and then just bend that in around the eyebrow. And then from the inside, bend this in and then down in the middle. Let's go back on top of the cheeks, curve the head, coming in and then up on both sides. From here, just going to round out the ear, going up and out, round out the ear, and then bend that back in towards the side. Let's go to the outside of the ear, add a fold, going up and then down on top of the head. From the inside left ear, let's add a fold. We're going to go up. Just going to bring the hair coming down, aiming towards the right ear to right about there. And just curl this back around and back out towards the edge of the ear. And to go back to the left side and add some fur along the top of the head. Starting from this point, bend this in and up. Let's add a point coming back down. And go up towards the top of the head and out towards the right. And bring that back down. Let's go all the way across and then back down on the right side. Now I'm going to go back down and draw on the side of the neck. From the base of the head on the left, let's step out, curve the neck coming in and then down. Do the same thing on the right. Let's round out the upper torso, starting back on the left side of the neck, curve this out and bend that in. Go back to the left side, we're going to step up to create an overlap, curve out, bring that in towards the center point, and I want to do the same thing on the right. Let's go back up and add a fold in the center of the chest with a curve going out towards right and back in. Let's go to that center point and draw a straight line going down in between the legs towards the bottom of the feet. Now I'm drawing the bottom of the left foot. I'm going to go out and then bend that down. And do the same thing on the right. Now on the left side, let's round out the toe, coming around and then bend that back in. And then we'll layer 2 more toes on either side. Starting from the end, go out, and then back in. Let's add 1 more toe, starting from the top. We go up towards the top of the foot, and then down towards the ankle. Let's go back up towards the side of the chest and draw on the body coming in towards the legs. So on the left side, we step out, curve this down, and bend that out. Let's line this up on the right. Let's round out the hip and pull that in towards the top of the feet. And now let's go back up to the top and draw on the arms. We're going to start from the top of the body. We're going to step down, curve the arms going out, and then down towards the wrist. And let's line that up on the right side. Now from the wrist, we're going to draw a small half circle coming in and out for the thumb. And we'll close off the end with a bracket. Now you want to add 3 fingers on either side. So we're going to start from the bottom of the thumb, curve this down and up around that bracket. Step down, go out and up with the second finger. And then the third finger, we're just going to pull that in towards the outside of the wrist. Now from the outside of the wrist, we're going to curve the arm going up and then in towards the base of the neck. Just bending that in towards the side. And now we're going to bring the tail in behind the body on the left side. Let's start from the side of the leg. Start by coming down around the arm and then bend that up. Let's curl the top of the tail and then bring that down towards the side. Now I'm going to draw the inside of the tail. Starting from the end, we're going to go up, come in, bring that down in behind the arm. Now I'm going to continue along the bottom, curve down, and then back in. Let's add a thick stripe on the end of the tail. Starting from the end, going up, just following that same curve, coming down in behind the hand, continue along the bottom, and then back in towards the hip. Let's go back over towards the top and do that again. Just going a little bit thicker as we come around, and then down, and then in between the hand and the body. Now I want to draw that same curve one more time, coming up in behind the arm, and then in between. And then we'll finish off by signing our art and adding a splash of color. And that's pretty much it. There's a drawing of Pepe Le Pew. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please give this video a like and share it with all your friends. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.